Hello, my all dear students. We are going to continue our chapter 2, The King's Magic Drum. And in the previous video, you must have seen that up to here we had completed. And now, next. See here. We had read about in this story that there was a king who was having a magic drum, and everyone want to have that magic drum because that magic drum used to give the plenty of foods when it was beaten. Okay, so let's see the next. Here we have seen, I saw your palm nut lying on the ground and thinking it had fallen from the tree. These all thing is being told by the king's wife. That is, her name was Equor-Idem. When she goes to with her little child and she found a nut lying on the ground, then a tortoise come out and tell that nut was mine. Why you have taken? Just you have to pay for it. Just you have to pay for that nut you have given to your child, and child has her child has eaten that nut. And he at last you will see, he in place of a single nut, a small nut, he demands the magic drum to the king. So let's see. Then when he told that the king should give the punishment to you, why you have taken my nuts, because you all know that the nut was taken by the king's wife, because she was unknown. She was not knowing that the nut is of that tortoise. I saw your palm nut lying on the ground and thinking it had fallen from the tree. See here, she is telling that nut was fallen from the tree, and she was not knowing that it is of this nut is yours. I gave it to my little girl to eat, but I not steal it. तो उसने बोला कि मैं वो नट अपने छोटी बच्ची को दे दी, मैंने चुराया नहीं है, because that nut was lying on the ground, the simple thing. So anyone can take that nut, but the tortoise told that he was on the tree, तो वो पेड़ पे था, and he was मतलब वो उस पे से पेड़ पे चढ़ के नट्स तोड़ रहा था, उसमें से एक नट गिर गया. ठीक है, तो वो जो नट्स गिरा तो वो उसी का था, वो उसको लेना नहीं चाहिए था. किंग की वाइफ को वो नट अपनी बच्ची को देना नहीं चाहिए था. एंड इफ शी हैज टेकन, शी हैज टू पे फॉर इट. इसके लिए उसको पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए. ओके, तो वो समझा रही थी कि ठीक है, किंग तुमको जो चाहिए होगा वो तुमको दे देगा, लेकिन मैंने चोरी नहीं किया है. ही वॉज ब्लेमिंग कि तुमने चोरी किया है, बट शी टोल्ड कि वो बस गिरा हुआ था, इसलिए मेरी बच्ची रो रही थी. आई गिव to my child. My husband, the king, is a rich man. If you have any complaint to make against me or my child, I will take you before him. वो बोली कि मेरे हस्बैंड जो है वो काफ़ी रिच मैन है, अगर तुमको कोई कंप्लेन करना है, I will take you before him. मैं तुमको उनके सामने प्रस्तुत करूँगी. और so she took the tortoise to her husband and told him what had taken place. और वो लेके जाती है tortoise को और बोलती है, बताती है सारी बातें कि हुआ क्या था. See this figure. Okay. The king then asked the tortoise what he accept as compensation for the loss of his palm. तो वो मतलब पूछता है, जो किंग है वो बोलता है कि ठीक है, अगर तुमको एक नट तुमको नहीं तुम्हारा ले लिया गया है तो उसके बदले तुमको क्या चाहिए, व्हाट यू वांट. And the tortoise immediately pointed the king's drum. And see here, what he wanted, he told immediately. He wanted the king's drum, the king's magic drum. And he told and said that it was the only thing he wanted. और बोलता है कि तो जो मैजिक ड्रम आपके पास है वही एक चीज इकलौता चीज है जो मैं चाहता हूँ. In order to get rid of the tortoise, the king said, "Very well, take the drum." But he never told the tortoise about bad thing that would happen to him if he stepped over the fallen tree or walked over a stick on the road. See, तो होता क्या है कि वो अब दे उसको तो वो राजा था. He have to give because राजा जो होते हैं वो अपने बात के खरे होते हैं obviously, वरना किस बात का राजा. तो he give that king's drum. तो वेरी वेल टेक द ड्रम. वो बोलता है ठीक है लो ड्रम लो. लेकिन उसके जो निगेटिव पॉइंट्स थे, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, मैंने शुरू में बताया था कि जो ड्रम था उसका निगेटिव पॉइंट ये था कि अगर हम ड्रम को लेके जा रहे हैं एंड इफ यू स्टेप्ड किसी ट्री या किसी भी लकड़ी के ऊपर चढ़ जाते हैं देन तो उसके बैड इफेक्ट, जो ड्रम था उसका बैड इफेक्ट देखने को मिलता था. तो ये बात किंग ने उसे नहीं बताया, बस सिंपली उसने उसको दे दिया. See now next, the tortoise was very glad at this and carried the drum home in triumph to his wife and said, "I am now a rich man and I shall do no more work." See what he does when he goes to his home, that he told that I have the magic drum, now I am rich and I shall do not work anymore. मतलब मुझे काम नहीं करना चाहिए, अब तो मैं खुद ही राजा हूँ, खुद ही अमीर हो चुका हूँ, मेरे पास तो I can get anything from that the magic drum.